This is a STK4191 IC. I am going to make one amplifier using this IC, and I am going to use this heatsink. This heatsink I take from one old computer, NTM4 computer. This type of heatsink is very good for this type of IC. Now I need to make two holes here for the screw. Here, this IC can make 70 plus 70 watt. Per channel can make 70 watt using 35035 voltage. Using 35035 voltage. I need to make two hole here. Here, this heatsink is original heatsink. For this case, it's make easily, not so hard, very easy to make hole because the heatsink is so soft. Okay. Now I'm going to fix this IC here. Must use thermal paste. I'm using thermal paste. Always use thermal paste for the IC or transistor anywhere. It's very important. It's very important. Always use. Okay. Here. I am going to fix this IC with this screw. It's the tight. Okay. Ensure that the screw is so tight. Okay, now I am going to check this amplifier. It's tight ready. I'm checking the length. Okay. This type of amplifier are very good. It makes the sound very nice. STK4191. If you want this circuit diagram, please check the comment. There are the link to get the circuit diagram. Now I am going to use 25 voltage for check. Later I will use 35 voltage. Now I am using 25 voltage for check. This is the positive is there. Positive is here the positive. Positive. I am using positive here. Positive voltage should come here. The positive voltage. Now negative. This is the negative voltage. Negative voltage is here. This one is the middle one is the negative voltage. This one is the negative voltage. The black wire is the negative voltage wire. This is the negative voltage wire. And this is the ground. This is the ground. Okay. One voltage connection ready. Now I am going to plug in. Must use series line. Okay. I'm going to check the voltage now. This DC voltage. Here the ground positive is 26 and negative is 26. The speaker output, okay, speaker output, there is no voltage, that means the circuit is okay, IC is okay. If speaker output got voltage, then the IC short. The IC is okay. Now I'm going to check the speaker. What is the speaker? Okay, this is my checking speaker. Very powerful speaker. Okay, plug out first. This is the ground voltage for the speaker, and this is the right side. Now I'm going to plug in. Okay. I'm going to check. Here is the input. Both input are here. It is working. That means right side is okay. Right side is okay. Right side is okay. Now plug out first. Then have to change the side. This is the left side. This is the left side. I'm using left side. Now I plug in again, and okay, it's also okay. Left side also working well. That means this circuit is can be used in the amplifier. It's fully okay. No problem. It's okay. The ground, whole side has ground. So this is STK4191. If you want the circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There are the circuit diagram for this IC mode. IC. Thank you for watching the video.